Hello. So I was asked a couple of questions about how to push from Eclipse onto Git, and I have my GitHub repository here. Now I've already set it up. It's this keyword, but you can that's just by creating a new repository online, or you can follow the command line here. So if you want to do it, you can do it that way. I think it's easier actually in the command line than it is through Eclipse. It makes it a little bit more complicated. So you do need to change the directory. So use cd ... to go back one, or just cd and you can put in the full path of where you're going. If you just do cd, then it will bring you back to the original. So ls then to list, and I use git, so ls, and then I have already where it is, it's in team in time member even, so I go to time member. You can tab across as well, and there's member access. So then all you do is and if you, as you go along, you'll remember all of these things. So git status is a good one. It tells you what branch you're on. If you've already gone into Eclipse and gone to let me just show you. If you've already gotten into Eclipse already and gone to the Project Explorer, if you can't find the Project Explorer, you go to Window and then Show View, and then there's Project Explorer, and within that then you can right click and go to Team, and there should be two options here. I've already done it, so there's more than that. So usually there's only two options. There's a share project option, and once you do that, it will bring up this here. And then you write in your initial commit of what you're committing, and you multiple plus add all files to the staged changes, and then commit. If there's no repository, that's a remote repository, so nothing in the cloud, let's call it, then it will just commit on your computer as a branch, but it hasn't been pushed up anywhere. And how you do that then is through the terminal. So if I have git, and then I have to set a remote branch, and you can just add it here, git remote add origin, and then this if you've already set it up, and then you just push it to the master branch up online. The other way to do it is that you initialize, which we've used a lot of that term in the previous videos. So you initialize a new repository through the command line, and you can just go git init. That will do a new one. You can add a readme. I usually skip the readmes, and then git commit -m, and then whatever you want to put in your first commit statement here. It's all written up on the website, which is really straightforward. And then you just use the exact same two commands as here. So this is just if you're initializing it from the command line. If you're not, if you just go through the website and add it, then you can just add these two. And that's it, and it's really easy. So because I've done it already, it should be up online already. Yeah. And you can see here then there's one commit, and you can see what the comments are on the commit, what branch it's on. You can switch branches. You can also use tags. I personally like using branches. You can also get the commit number, and you can also browse through at some point in history as well with this, which is really useful. And also there is other things that we can also look at later on. But that's it for now. So enjoy and happy programming, and always use a versioning tool. It's really important. If you're doing anything, especially when you're working in a team of people, versioning tool. It's not really good practice to push to a master branch if you're in a team. There should be code reviews as well. That's just how it works. So one person has to check your code to make sure it doesn't break anything else, and then you push it to usually a testing branch, and then then it can be checked by testers, let's say, within a team or in that kind of way. So it depends on the process of the company as well. And then there's certain coding standards and naming conventions that you use throughout, but you learn that when you're in work. So happy programming. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you like this video. Give it a thumbs up.